Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Microsoft OAuth tokens for Power Automate AI flows, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Microsoft OAuth tokens for Power Automate AI flows, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft Power Automate portal. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, locate the My Flows section on the left sidebar. Click on My Flows to view all your existing flows. Identify the flow that requires the OAuth token restoration. Click on the flow to open its details. Look for the Edit button and click on it to enter the editing mode. In the flow editor, find any action that connects to a Microsoft service. These actions often include tasks involving Microsoft 365 services, SharePoint, or Dynamics 365. Click on the action that requires OAuth authentication. A configuration panel will open on the right side of your screen. Check for any warnings or messages regarding the authentication status. If you see a prompt indicating that authentication is needed, click on the Sign In button. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Input your username and password, then click Sign In. After authentication, you may also need to provide consent for the required permissions. Review the permissions required, and if you agree, click Accept. Once the authentication is successful, return to the flow edit. Verify that the authentication status has been updated. Look for a Save option in the top right corner of the screen. Click Save to store your changes to the flow. Now run a test of the flow to ensure the OAuth token restoration is successful. Monitor the flow's execution for any errors. If everything is functioning correctly, your OAuth tokens are now restored. Repeat these steps for any additional flows that require OAuth token restoration. Your Power Automate AI flows are now set to run smoothly with restored authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.